Hygienic design equipment, preferably EH certified, is one of the best ways to prevent food safety and food quality issues. But what if you suddenly are confronted with such an issue and you have no idea where it's coming from? Well, then you will have to inspect your process. And our new EHEDG company member that I want to introduce to you today is specialized in what they call non-destructive testing. And they developed a very sophisticated robot system for that. And with us today is Gilles Godelot. He is the regional sales manager, Southern Europe at this EHEDG company member, Invert Robotics. Gilles, welcome. What added value do your clients get from hiring your company to inspect their systems?
We preserve human life while not entering into the system. We are entering into confined space. And at the same time, we are checking the complete integrity from the assets which we are inspecting. And one part of it is, of course, hygienicity from the item itself, because it's something that we can reveal through the different probes and through the inspectors that are processing to the inspection of the item. And this helped us, though it was not the first aim, to realize how the items were cleaned.
Mm-hmm. So it's a visual inspection. How does that help your clients to optimize the hygiene conditions within their systems?
Through the camera, through the pictures that we are realizing, the precision from what we see is helping the customer to analyze when sampling, when other equipment which are normally found within an asset or around an asset cannot find that easily.
I guess you need a really high resolution camera for that, right?
That's exactly that, because we replace human eyes with a greater magnitude, because our camera is equipped with a 30 times zoom, which gives us a precision of 65 microns at 10 meters. And through time, our customers have decided to call us whenever they have a bacteriological issue within their asset, particularly in tanks, in production tanks, in the food safety.
Okay, so basically you're providing these high resolution pictures to your clients. There's a lot of data in there. How do the clients use that data in their practice?
All this data capture that we bring to the maintenance and production people, they analyze through their process the various defects and the various elements which they see. And we release what we call an inspection report with the various elements that we have had and all the pictures that we have found, are helping all together with the customers to see what is from an hygienic side or what needs to be repaired.
Now, your clients are food producers, among other industries that you serve, but they are not data analysts. How do you expect them to correctly interpret these images, and do you offer a service in that as well?
We offer the service via what we call non-destructive testing inspectors. Those people are certified. As we didn't have this manpower within the agro-food industry, we made them come from aviation, we made them come from nuclear industry, we made them come from chemical industry, so that when the report has been released, which is also talking about structural damages, it will become the property from the customers. The way they want to play with it, and we have lived that by the past, whereby very renowned customer has got back to an equipment manufacturer and are starting exchanging on the problems that they were facing regarding the design from the system. And then we were at the early stage to explain what we had found. As we don't pretend to replace the manufacturing company of the item, we explain them, this is what we have seen, this is what has happened. Now I let you exchange again with the customer in order so that you see what has to go further.
How did you become aware of the existence of EHEDG, and why did you decide to become a EHEDG company member this year?
When exchanging with some of your highest members and historical members, they have explained me, but why don't you join EHEDG to explain what to do, the way you make it, so that we start looking at what could be our best practices and integrate potentially and understand more specifically what you are doing and how it could help us to design or to, let's say, to improve a little bit our hygienic practices.
Mm-hmm. So have you already looked into the EHEDG hygienic design guidelines? There are many of them. There are 55 at this moment, but do you have any idea what guidelines would be relevant to you?
I've checked into it. I am making cross-checking as well with my development team, which normally should be the ones to more specifically follow up those groups and those guidelines, because they are the ones who have the knowledge, who owns the knowledge, who own the knowledge. Me, I'm just a flag from our company within the EHEDG group. That said, for the time being, we have some elements which are interesting us. I need their feedback on that one. And then we shall humbly request the possibility to participate to this group, and in order so that we do improve still our technology.
Well, that's a great attitude, Jill. I guess EHEDG value increases as soon as people decide to actually contribute their expertise to this community. Thank you very much for this interview.
Thank you, Rob. Thank you for your time, and happy to join EHEDG.
Dear viewer, is your company also an EHEDG Company Member, and do you have an interesting story to tell that illustrates the benefits of hygienic design in any way related to food safety, quality, or even productivity and sustainability? Please let us know. Send us a direct message or put a comment down below, and we will be happy to get back to you and see what we can do. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.